Greetings everyone! So here is how you can create a child theme for your website. For that, let me quickly log into my dashboard. We are already logged in. And let me also open the website. So this is the default one of the Unfold demos. Anyway, we will create a child theme for this. Please note, it is better to create a child theme when you are in the initial phase of developing the website. Now, if you already have a website, you will have to import all custom settings from the theme, or else, the design will be messed up. Anyway, let's create for this one. Go to Appearance. And you will find your active theme here, so open this. And save this image. Do not change this name, however, change this image if you want. After that, go to Appearance, and Theme File Editor. So we are here. Open a notepad. Copy this all. And paste it here. You need to change the theme name, add child in front. Also, add a template. And I will copy the theme name. Please note this should exactly match the folder name of the theme used. This is done. Now save this file as style.css. File, Save As. Make sure the CSS extension is here, and save. After that, click on functions.php. And again, open the notepad. And copy this. Now this we need to save this as functions.php. So copy this. Make sure this PHP extension is here, and save it. And it's done. So basically, we have these 3 files. Put all these inside a folder. I will name it Child Unfold. So these are the 3 files required. Now, create a zip file. So here it is. Now go to Appearance and Themes. Add a theme. Upload theme. Choose File. And choose the zip file we created earlier. And install theme. So the child theme has been installed, but the parent theme cannot be found. If you go back to Appearance, you can see these broken themes. This happened because the template name is not correct. So, in here, if we open the style.css file, this folder name is not correct. Now, to fix this, we need to find the exact folder name of this theme. For that, I will install a plugin. Basically, we need to access the root files. Search for File Manager. You can directly use the cPanel or FTP. Anyway, install it and activate the plugin. So, click on File Manager. So this gives access to all the root files. Again, you do not have to install this plugin, you can simply use FTP or cPanel. Anyway, go to WP Content. And go to Themes. We will see our child theme here. So this is the theme that is currently active. So the folder name is different. So let me rename this. And copy. This should exactly match the template name. So basically here. Now you can change it here. Save this file. Zip it and re-upload. Or go to Appearance, and Theme File Editor. From the drop-down, choose Child Unfold. Select. And in the template, simply add the exact name. So it is done. Update file. So it is all done. If you go to the Appearance again, you will see our child theme here. Again, you could change this image. Before activating this, make sure to import all the settings from the parent theme. Not all theme provides settings, but Unfold does. So please double check with your theme. So go to Unfold. Click on Import Export. And export the theme settings. Show in folder. And I will move it desktop. So here are the theme settings. Now go back to Appearance and Themes. Now let's activate the child theme. So the child theme has been activated. Let me go to Import Export. And let's upload the theme settings. Upload files. Here are the theme settings. And it is done. So everything is done. So you can see all the CSS has been imported. Let me close this. And let me reopen the site. So you can see the site looks messed up. That's why it is important to understand your theme settings. Anyway, let me go back to the dashboard. So in theme options, just need to adjust this. And save changes. Now, if I refresh this. So the site is back. It is very important to import all the settings. And make sure you know the custom changes made, or else the site design might be messed up. There is an advantage of using a child theme. Let me go to Appearance, and Theme File Editor. Here are only 2 files. So here in the theme function, you can add all your custom codes we have provided. And whenever there is a theme update, all your code will be saved here. So everything will be saved in the theme functions. And it will work perfectly. Thank you very much.